Hidden Hitch from Draw-Tite gives you the flexibility to have a hitch visible only when you need it. When you're ready to use the hitch, connecting the removable receiver is as easy as 1, 2, 3. To start, take the plastic weather cap off of the bottom of the receiver housing, place it in your case, and take the removable receiver out. Next, check to make sure the pin at the top of the removable receiver is down, and then insert the removable receiver upward into the receiver housing until you hear it click. Then check the color indicator. If it shows green, you're connected. Finally, lock the removable receiver with the included key for added security. When you're done with the hitch, removal is simple too. Just unlock it, then push the blue knob in and turn it 180 degrees clockwise, and the removable receiver will come out. Remember to store the receiver in its case and reinsert the plastic weather cap when you're done with the hitch.